Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, on this video here, we're going to tell you about the most common problem for Club Car Precedent brakes. When you hit the pedal and it goes all the way to the floor, don't go buy your brake shoes, man. Get you a 13mm wrench, two 13mm wrenches, a T40 socket, and an impact gun, or get you a ratchet watch. Get a T40 on your rocker panel bolts. You got one here, one here. You know, that side there should be two, but somebody's, the gremlin took them. I know you got a gremlin in your house. You got any gremlins in your house, Travis?
Just so y'all know, that was me that took them.
Oh, did you? Alright, see, I didn't know that. That's a gremlin then for sure. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to take the floor mat up. Just pull it out. Take your rocker panels, pull back on them. Just pull it up over that. Like that there. Now under here, ignore the ant pile and stuff. But you pull this up, put your finger in the hole here. Now don't be scared to pull now because it's kind of stiff. Now you see your rod here. This is your pedal rod. Now the way you can tell if it's time for brake shoes, if you see here, a little bit of threads left here, a little bit of threads left there. If you run out of threads, then you know you probably need brake shoes, or you got to take the wheels off back there and adjust them back there because the adjuster's not working on the brakes. Now you can see it's left-handed. All right. Tighten this up. And don't loosen this up, because if you watch this, when I spin this rod, this whole thing moves because that nut's still tight. So I can show you slow motion here. You can see if I turn it there, you can see everything's turning. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep adjusting this. Back up. Now, as I'm adjusting this, I'm taking my hand here and I'm feeling my tension on my brake pedal. And once I get to the desired tension I wanted, the tightness I wanted, the brake pedal will snug it back down. You can see there. Now, the way I always use it is I take this here and I hold it down as I push the brake. The first click is there. But you can see there's no tension. There's no tension there. So you want to keep adjusting until that first click gets a little tight. That way you know if you got to get in the bind where you have to lock the brakes down and lock up on it. Oh yeah, it's better there. Yep. Now you can see there it's locking the first click and it has tension. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is take this nut here, 13mm.
His next move will be brake shoes.
Yeah, it's getting close. Now I'm going to take it here and just turn this nut, just tighten it back up. Now I have a video on this before, man. It's kind of an old video, man, so I'm trying to remake it now. I'm trying to make my page better videos. So we're trying to make it better for everybody. Everybody to see more clear. All right, I'll take this here, lock it back down, pull my push rivet out, put it back in there, lock it back in the hole. Take the floor mat, fold it in half. Put it over the brake and gas pedal. Make sure your key's always off for this. Tuck it under the dash first, that way you won't get in your way. The easiest way to do this is line this up first. Go ahead and stick this where it's lined up. There you go. All right. So now you know it's going to be even that way, even this way. So you take your rocker panels, stick it back under your rocker panels, pop it back on, just push it on. Now one thing too, I'm going to give you a tip now. These T40 screw-ins are plastic. So you don't want to hammer it down, because if you hammer it down, you strip it out. So just enough where it starts to get tight. Any more than that, you go strip it. And make sure up here it just stays in. Mine popped out. If it pops out, no big deal. Push it over and pop it back in. But you seen it there, man. You can adjust the brakes under. How long it's been?
5 minutes.
Adjust your brakes under 5 minutes, man. Just like that. It's said and done, man. Go to my page. Have over 400 videos fixing any type of car there is. You got any questions, comment below any video. I'll give you an answer. Y'all stay tuned, man. We'll post some more. Hey, hey, hey.